Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to attempt a screw puncture repair. So this is my wife's Kia Cerato wheel, rear driver's side. She picked up the screw puncture the other day coming back from the gym. The Kia Cerato, the YD series, comes with a full-size alloy spare, so the exact same wheel as this. So I just swapped that over, and there was obviously no urgency to do the repair, so we're going to do that now, and I'll just talk about some of the tools and equipment you'll need. So rather inconveniently, my battery-powered Tyre inflator deflator is in my Magna. It's in the boot, and my Magna is in the garage storage. So I could have gone there and got it, but I will make do with the bike pump to get the volume back in the tyre, and then I'll finish it with the foot pump because it's got a digital display, so I can get the precise PSI in the tyre to match the other ones. Well, I've got a couple of options here, so I'll start with the screwdriver to remove the screw, and if I can't get it out with that, I'll just use some pliers or vice grips. This is just to basically kind of prepare the puncture site for the kind of sealant, I guess you'd call it. So you just put one of these strips into this device here, and then that'll be used to plug the hole. And then you can also, before you do so, coat this with some cement just to get a better seal. So yeah, from what I recall last time, it's not as easy as it looks, but we will give it another go. Okay, I'll start by removing the screw. Alrighty. Fairly sizable screw to pick up while driving. Jeez. There you go. So there's the puncture site there, so I'll just get that cleaned up with this, they call it a rasp tool, I guess. One plug string here and the tool, and it needs to be threaded through. What I recommend, because it's otherwise quite difficult to thread it through when it's in its original state, I just widen these with a screwdriver. Otherwise it's very hard to get it through because it's sticky, so like so. Right, and then just press it back together. Okay, so that's ready. This is the tricky bit, is actually inserting it in here, and you've got to be very quick, so you just got to basically kind of punch it through and then pull it out quickly so that this gets left in there. Four more, so we'll give it a go. Now, just going to pull it out quickly. There you go. Bubbling of the detergent or water. I can't hear anything, so I think we're good, but before I put it back on the car, I'll just check the pressure again later this afternoon. So I put 33 psi in there. So I'll just check that it hasn't gone down, and if it hasn't, I think we're fine, and I will refit the tyre. Okay, it's the next day, next morning, and I just thought I'd close out the video after waiting overnight to ensure that you know, the tyre maintained pressure. So as I said in the start of the video, it was the driver's side rear tyre that had the puncture, and we've got 33 psi, which is what I put in there yesterday. So yeah, we're all set. And then with the full-size alloy spare, I just gave it a wash down yesterday because just wanted to make sure the tyre was clean before I put it back in the tyre well, and we've got the tools there. So yeah, there we go. So I'll leave it there. Any questions or comments, leave them below and I'll get back to you. And as always, thanks for watching. Cheers.